Hello friends, today I am going to bring to you a very crucial product in the facials. I have been using this from quite some time. I feel that the results are really tremendous, so that's the reason why I'm trying to bring this in front of you. This is nothing but ABH, that's Aroma Beauty Herbs Body Polishing Spa. This is how the container looks, right? It's a plastic bottle with a plastic cap. Under the container you don't find anything apart from the symbol about this. And when you come to this, it's a body polishing cream scrub. Now why I choose this, because it acts as a scrub, it acts as a body polisher. It is also very much useful in terms of giving you a very good amount of hydration, apart from the other scrubs that generally makes your skin feel dry and stretched, but this doesn't do that. So I really like this product. Now when we come to this part, you could see the information about how to use the product, the quantity that you're getting, and what are the ingredients that you have over here. I'll open this box and show it to you. Now see, can you see, it's almost like I've used half the container and I'm giving you a review after using half the container. So this is a very good one in order to have a sort of a polishing effect. The reason being is that it has got micro crystal beads which acts as gentle exfoliating agents in order to remove any sort of dead skin cells on your body. You can use this on your face, also you can use this on your body in order to remove the dead skin cells and have a fresh, soft, plumpy kind of a skin. Apart from that, even this is very useful for the sensitive skins. So even the sensitive skin beauties can also use this one. This is dermatologically tested, I believe so, and the product has no sort of side effects, anything, because I've been using from quite some time and that feels really good. And it also gives a hydrated effect on the skin. It not just gives a body polishing effect, but because of the kind of the ingredients that it has, see, if you could see, you could find the ingredients that it has, so that gives the body polishing effect as well as the hydration effect. Now the very important point why I picked this product apart from any number of products that we find on Nika or Amazon is that this one works. And let's see the top 5 ingredients here. You could find that the first ingredient is cetyl alcohol. This cetyl alcohol is nothing but, it's a, what can I say, it's a very common ingredient in order to make any sort of personal care products or cosmetic products. It's more like a vegetable oil. It's derived from the palm or the coconut oil, which is used in order to act as a binding agent to make the product stay for a longer period, and this really works. And this alcohol, this cetyl alcohol, is free from any sort of side effects on the skin. So this can be time tested in order to be used even for dry skin, normal skin, sensitive skin people, because there is no sort of evidence showing that this has any negative effect on the skin. So probably any person can use this one. Apart from that, let's go to the second ingredient, that's the walnut particle. So obviously you understand, you need scrubbing, you need exfoliation, you need the dead skins to be removed, so you need walnut particles in order to do that primarily. Apart from that, you also have sodium cetyl sulfate. This is the third main ingredient on the product. Generally, sodium cetyl sulfates are derived from the sodium salts. It's a mixture of cetyl and stearyl sulfate. They are generally light yellow in colors. They are not like strongly pigmented colors. They are generally in a light yellow powdered form. They are used in personal care products as well as in cosmetic products. These are generally used in the formulation of hair care products as well. So this one, when you talk about sodium cetyl sulfate, you can use them in n number of products, primarily in the beauty care industry. So we find them very often giving reference to this particular product in the main ingredients list. This is the top third ingredient in the list in order to make this product, and this formulation is very good for the skincare products as well as for the hair care products. This works, so there is no problem with that. Now let me come to the fourth ingredient, I believe so, ozocurite. If I could remember well, ozocurite is nothing but it is something like an earth wax. a wax that is derived naturally from the odoriferous minerals wax or a paraffin wax, which are found in many localities of India. You find them as a binding agent, as a stabilizing agent. Apart from that, this earth wax is a naturally occurring mineral wax. You can also call it as a paraffin wax. These are generally waxes in order to give that hydration kind of an effect. You find many of the cosmetic products in India which are manufactured locally using this particular one. This is precisely called as a hydrocarbon wax, so generally a cosmetic ingredient that we use. Now after this, let me come to the other one, that's the mineral oil. Obviously you need to have some sort of a mineral oil in order to make this work out, and then comes the important parts. It has neem extracts, it has rose petal extract, and it has aloe vera extract. So they work in order to soothe the skin, and also because of the heavy abrasion kind of an effect that it gives, generally the scrubs and the polishing creams gives. So the aloe vera extract and the rose petal extract tries to give the soothing effect on the skin. So let me show you how the product is. This is the kind of a product. It's more like goofy kind of a product. It's white, it's pure white, and yes, you could feel that waxiness on the product. Now it has got those micro beads, if you wanted to see it in front of you. So this is how the product looks to the naked eye. Yes, the micro beads are available. Let me scrub it on my skin and show it to you. This is how the product is. Now you could scrub this, and in order to have the body polishing effect, you can do a Korean kind of a technique in order to scrub it on your face, trying to put a pressure on the pressure points on your face, or the main important focal points on your face, so that the blood circulation happens perfectly and a sort of a glow comes because of the kind of rush of blood onto your face or superficial skin. Now this works. This is the kind of thing. Some people say that you need to mix water with this, you can use rose water with this, you can use curd with this, but I honestly suggest you not to use lemon. Lemon is not at all going to work with any sort of skincare products. You cannot apply a lemon juice directly onto your skin and then think that you're going to get results. Obviously you're going to get results, but it's not safe, and it's especially not at all safe to use lemon and go into a direct sun, unless and until you are wearing a heavy SPF in order to protect your skin and yourself from the aging and the sunburn factors. So be careful with that. You can directly use this on your skin. Apart from that, you can use a rose water, you can use a normal water, filtered clean water, in order to give that smoothing effect. Or otherwise, I generally try to mix this with the curd, because I find that for my sort of a combination to extremely oily skin, depending on the weather conditions, I find curd to be a very good product to be mixed with this to use. But if you feel that no, that's just waste of time, efforts, money and the product, you could apply this directly. Now I have done another review about this particular product in my previous skincare videos. This is again from the same brand. Now what I do is I do the polishing first, and then I go with this one. This is a facial gel. Now what it does is it gives a sort of a synchronizing effect. I don't know how this is going to work, but because both are from the same brand and either of them are very normal priced products, so these are not expensive products, and these are not even the cheap low grade sort of filled, artificially filled or chemically filled substance based product. These are rightful products, and they are manufactured in India, and they give some standard results. And most of the beauty parlors and spa treatment centers also use these products in order to get the results on the skin. You can use them either on the body or directly on the face. That again depends on you, where you wanted to use this. But yes, it's suggested to use it with the water or with the rose water, but never to use it with a direct lemon juice concentrate. Optionally, you can use curd, which is what I'm using right now. And I take this, I do a circular motion and try to do the massage, so that the scrubbing, the exfoliating, the polishing activity happens on the skin. And once I'm done with this part, then I take this gel. This is a pomegranate gel. I've done a review on this one. Now take an amount, because I'm the only one who is using this product. So yes, I'm putting my finger, I've washed my hands and I have sanitized my hands, so I'm putting my finger directly onto the product because this is a product which I'm using, and I generally try to use this product within 1 month or 1.5 months at the max and then dispose it off. But if you want to use this product, because this is a very big container and you wanted to use this product for a longer period, do not dip your hands directly into the product. It's not safe, it's not hygienic, and it's not even suggested when you are dealing with multiple clients and multiple skins for multiple use of this product on different people. But if you're like at home using this product on yourself, then probably for a month or more than a month with a couple of days of added time is good enough if you're trying to dip your finger in that. But if you're planning to use this on a long term, say for 4 months or 6 months, then I suggest that you use a spatula or use a small spoon, or you can use even any sort of a small plastic thing in order to remove the product. But make sure that you try to wash that particular spoon or spatula and then you safeguard that so that you can use it again. Do not put multiple types of instruments or spoons or different things in order to remove the product. So that's about it. Now once I'm done with this, so I'm going to put this one. This is a pomegranate gel. This has got some sort of a synchronizing effect. If you could see the pinkiness from this gel and the whiteness from this is giving you a very nice glow. I don't know how this is working out, but this is working out on my skin. And if you could see, once I'm done with this product, once I'm done with the facial and massaging of these both products onto the skin, then I tend to leave this for 10 minutes for this to penetrate into the skin and do the action what it was supposed to be doing it. So that's again a good point. If you want this product to work better and give you results that are very long term, I would suggest that at least once you're done with the massaging, put this on your face for 10 minutes as a mask and then remove it. So you are getting a scrub, a polisher, an exfoliating agent. Apart from that, you are also getting a massage gel, and you're also trying to use either of them in order to make a face pack to stay on your face for 10 minutes and then wash this off. Now I hardly worked anything on my skin. I'm just trying to show to you how this is working out, but you know the results, right? Let me wash this off and show you. So I'm taking a small cloth and I'm removing this in order to show you how the results are. Now can you see? I'm not sure if the camera is going to pick this or not, but instantaneously you would have a brightening effect. You would find that the skin is very plumpy, and you would find that whitening effect. I'm not supposed to use that word, but I'm sorry about that. But yes, you could find that brightening glow effect on your skin. Look at my other hand. This hand is very dry, this hand is very patchy, this hand feels lifeless in terms of the skin texture. Now but this one you could see that it's soft, it's glowing, it feels very baby soft kind of a skin, and it feels plumpy. So when you keep on doing that for 15 minutes or 10 minutes and then leave it on for 10 more minutes, then this product is really going to work. It can be used as a home facial if you have some relaxing time for half an hour or so over the weekend or even during the weekdays. And the thing is that you find these results instantaneously, and this glow, this brightening effect is going to stay with you at least for 3 days. And I don't honestly say that this is going to stay with you for 1 month once you use the product. I could say that 3 days is the max that you could see this effect. And probably if you're using this product in the evening or in the night, you could see the after effects, the brightening, the glow, the sort of plumpy skin instantaneously. But these results are very much increased by the very next morning. So that's how these products work, and this is a small review about the ABH cream scrub. It's a body polishing one. I don't know whether you find it in any kind of online stores, but I got this from the local cosmetic dealer. They also gave me a discount on this. So this is about it. If you want, you can give it a try, and if you like my video, you can share, subscribe, like. And what are the other things that you want me to review, you could let me know so that I will try to review even those products and let you know how those products are working out on different skins and give you a detailed report once I used it and experiment on my skin. So just like, subscribe, share this video and let me know if there are any sort of queries that you have. I cannot tell you about the prices, I'm sorry about that, because I got these at a discounted price because I have been purchasing huge number of products at one time. So I really don't know, probably this would be around 200-300 bucks, something like that, but not an expensive one. It's more like moderate priced one, but you get the results as if you're using an expensive product. So I would suggest that if you want that kind of a glow, but if you want the product to be mostly natural, and if you want those glow effect to stay with you for say a couple of days or 3 days of time, then I believe these are the good ones. You get the polishing effect, you get the massage effect, you also get the face pack kind of an effect all in one. So if you want me to pick one product out of all these two containers, I would say this one is the best. This does work, this does give you results, this does give you that brightening effect, but apart from that, it doesn't exfoliate the skin well. So if you're very sensitive skin and you want a very mild exfoliating agent in order to work along with the massage, then probably this is the right product. But if you're looking out for something that has a little bit more abrasiveness, that has a little bit more stronger microbeads in order to exfoliate rigorously, and also give you that glowing effect, remove the dead skin cells, and at the same time do not deprive your skin of moisture, then this is the product that you need, because it doesn't dry out your skin, it doesn't give you that stretched kind of an effect on your skin, and your skin really feels hydrated because of the several waxes and rose petal that has been included in this, and aloe vera acts as a soothing agent. So everything is going to work synchronizingly in order to give you that effect. So that worked for me, and I believe that would also work for you. But yes, if you have an extremely sensitive skin, then I would suggest that you do a patch test, wait for 24 hours, because obviously that's a disclaimer that everyone should follow, but most of the people doesn't tend to follow that. But in case if you have very sensitive skin and you're prone to allergic reactions for any new product that you're using, then please do a patch test, and if that works with you, then you could probably go with the full on application of this product and doing the massage in order to get the effects. So let's see how this works out. Let me know if there is any other product that you would want me to review, so I would be reviewing that and giving you a feedback about that one. And thank you so much. Adios, goodbye.